Hey people, so we are at the go-karting track and we are busy doing this reel, this dance step for Instagram. And are you show us the step? Okay, this is this very pretty doctor that we have with us. Okay, begin. It's begin dancing, people. I'll record. Since it is 1:15 in the night, we are all groggy and sleepy. But this is an experience, really, probably an experience of a lifetime. So this is with the BCF group, and we are at the go-karting track. After this, we are headed to Charminar, then Paradise. Then Ram Ki Bandi is where we'll be having our midnight meal. And this is just so much fun. I'm glad I'm able to give this experience to my child. Okay, so they are practicing dance steps.